everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to add Facebook story. So for that, first of all, you need to open the Facebook application and get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your account, you need to tap on create story on your page. Tap on create story. Now on Facebook, you have multiple options of how you want to post a story. That is, either you want to write text on your stories or you can post music. You can also have green screen option nowadays. There's boomerang. You can have posted your selfie. I will be showing you how you can post a particular picture of yours. So for that, you need to choose a picture that you want to upload from your photo gallery, or you can just tap on the camera icon. With this, you will be able to click a picture right away to post. I'm just gonna go and select a photo from my photo gallery. So this is the picture that I want to post on my story. Now once you have selected the picture, you can make edits over here. That is, you can either add sticker, text, music, effects, draw, and there's many more options below as well. Either you can tag people also. I'm not gonna go all of this. You can make the changes as per you want. I'm just gonna tap on share. With that, the story or the picture will be posted on your Facebook. So this is how you can add story on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.